So tonno is the Italian word for tuna, if you didn't know. We're practicing your Italian now before the Olympic Games, okay? But tonno is where you're headed next.
Exactly. So growing up near the Massachusetts coast, chef and owner Anthony Caturano, he fell in love with fishing and food, and that's actually what inspired the name of one of his restaurants in Wakefield. So I went to the back of house of Tonno, where he showed me how to make one of their most popular dishes. Today we're in the back of house at Tonno in Wakefield, and I'm here with Chef Anthony Caturano, who is going to show me how to make something special.
We're going to do grilled pork chops with vinegar, peppers, and potatoes. It's one of my favorite here at the restaurant.
And it smells so good already, so I'm really excited to learn some of your secrets today.
Well, let's get at it, but first I got to give you this apron.
I got you, Chef. Let's do this.
All right.
So what do we need to do?
First, we're going to cut the potatoes. We're going to roast them, and then we'll get going on the rest.
Break it up by parts.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yep.
So you want me to cut the potatoes, right?
Yes.
I volunteered, actually.
Perfect.
Smaller? Okay.
No, perfect, yeah. Next, we're going to add the oil. We'll put the potatoes in, and then we'll put them in the oven.
Perfect.
We'll just kind of put them
face down.
Yeah, face down.
So while the potatoes are browning up the way we want them, you're going to help me focus on the pork now.
Right. Pork chops are next. So we're going to rub the pork chop with a little olive oil so they don't stick on the grill.
That's
a little
important.
salt and pepper, because salt and pepper is good for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward.
So if you look at the pork in here, let's get some like nice marbling going through it. We use a better quality pork chop here called Hatfield. It's got good marbling, good fat.
It's really pretty.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Yeah. And then we also brine them the night before. So you can take any standard brining recipe, which is usually salt, a little bit of sugar, water, let it cool, and then you soak that. And if you're going to do a single pork chop, maybe 12 hours overnight.
Yeah.
Then a little salt and pepper.
A little heavy on the pepper.
You know what, though? When you do it on the grill, a lot of it comes off
That's
anyway,
true, yeah.
So it's okay. Oh, you want to put them on? You want me to?
Sure, why not? Like this?
Nice. Perfect. Yep.
Beautiful.
Do a little shake, chef shake.
So now we're multitasking. We have the pork chop on the grill. We got to still make sure we don't burn the potatoes. We're going to throw them in the oven now.
So yeah, the oven, once you brown them up a little bit, they can go in the oven.
How long should they stay in there?
They'll take about 20, 30 minutes.
Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, let's see how those potatoes are looking. Woo,
Potatoes are looking good, nice and brown. A little flip over.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Next, we're going to add some sliced garlic. Kind of scatter that around in there. And then I'll add the vinegar peppers. So we're going to add the peppers.
Wow.
And then you want to reduce that vinegar down so you get that nice, strong acid flavor.
Yeah, okay. Why is acid so important when you're cooking?
You know, it's just another flavor profile to help, blend everything together. But you don't want it too strong, so we're actually going to add, you can add a little olive oil or you can add a little butter. Next we'll add the chicken stock.
This is the chicken stock. Do you just buy at the store, throw it in here for the flavor?
Yeah, you can make it or you can buy it. We make it here at the restaurant.
Nice.
Yep.
What's your favorite part about being a chef?
I've always just like being around all the people, the camaraderie. Yeah, the chaos in the kitchen.
It's fun.
Yeah. All right, so we took the pork chops off the grill. We're going to let them rest for about 4 or 5 minutes.
Yes.
Have the potatoes and peppers ready with the sauce.
Now it's time to taste the fruits of our labor.
Just in time, because I'm hungry.
Right. It's lunchtime.
Great.
Oh, that is good. Just like melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, Diego, you need to try this. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Well done. Thank you so much for teaching me today.
Thanks for the help.
Our photog Diego really wanted to be a part of this, so I had to make sure he tried it. He approved.
I was gonna say, you're a good food critic, right? Like, but you like just about everything. Diego's a foodie.
He did it.
Yeah, so
Exactly.
I trust his take on that.
No,
so
absolutely.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, I love this segment because I feel like we always learn so much. But by the way, if you are in the Gloucester area, they also have a Tonno location there, so you want to check that one out as well.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And you said it was the best pork chop you've ever had.
It was, and it was because we brined it. So I learned that tip: brine your meat before you cook it, and they'll make it more tender.
You learn something new every day, Kwani. Thanks for doing the Lord's work.
Absolutely.
Okay?